Hello friends, today I will discuss the sodium vapor lamp, and here I will consider the necessity, definition, construction, operation, disadvantages and advantages of this lamp. Coming to the necessity, when we don't have the natural light and to continue the work we need the artificial light. To get the artificial light we need the artificial lamps, and such lamp is nothing but sodium vapor lamp, and generally these sodium vapor lamps are used for highway lighting or street lighting purpose. Coming to the definition, it is a lamp that converts the heat into yellow color visible light. Construction wise, if we look at this, we find two bulbs. One is outer bulb. This is a double walled enclosure which works as a insulator for the heat that is developed inside. There is another tube here which is in the form of U tube, and this U tube is a special glass, that is Borosil glass. So in this there are two electrodes are placed. This is one electrode, this is another electrode, and they are sealed, and inside this tube there is 1% of argon gas and neon gas and also sodium material also available. And these electrode terminals will come out of this via the outer bulb like this, and these terminals of the electrodes will go to the secondary of the transformer. This is the transformer and its secondary is this, and this secondary voltage under open circuit will be 450 volts, and this transformer has the high leakage reactance. The purpose of the high leakage reactance is to limit the current flowing into this lamp, and also to provide the necessary voltage across the lamps. And coming to the primary side of this transformer, here we have the capacitor, and this capacitor is used for improving the power factor of the circuit or lamp, and this primary will be connected to the AC supply like this. When we go into the details, so this is the real diagram of sodium vapor lamp. So this is the lamp cap, and this is one electrode, this is a tube, here is one electrode and this is another electrode, and these electrodes are connected to the supply terminals, that is secondary of the transformer, and this tube consists of the sodium, neon and 1% argon. So this is inner tube is also called the discharge tube. This is outer tube. When it comes to the operation, when single phase supply is connected to the primary of the transformer like this, there is a secondary voltage available here. That voltage is around 450 volts under open circuit conditions. So that secondary is connected to the electrodes of the lamp like this. So once the electrodes are connected to the voltage, then here we find argon gas. That argon gas has a special quality that so it ionizes at lower voltage. So it starts ionizing first, and that ionized gas will transfer the heat to the neon gas. This neon gas starts ionizing and forms a arc between these two electrodes, in the form of orange red color, and that arc transfers the heat to the sodium available in this lamp, and the sodium starts vaporizing, and after that sodium will form the arc between these lamps, between these two electrodes in yellow color form. Coming to the disadvantages of this lamp, its initial cost is high. There is no stroboscopic effect, but it has the very poor power factor, that is 0.3 lagging, and also it takes time to start or to emit the light, around 7 to 15 minutes, and it has the more power consumption. Coming to the advantages, its lifetime is 18,000 hours. There is no stroboscopic effect, and efficiency is 100 to 170 lumens per watt. Please like the channel and subscribe to the channel.